How to cancel Whoop membership on app. Now, this process is going to be the same if you're going to be using the Whoop through the web version or the application version. Process is again the same. So first things first, you have to fully understand that there are two types of specific membership on Whoop. The first thing is non-activated membership, and the other thing is active membership. All of those specific types will actually fall on within 30 days of receipt. Now, if you're within the first 30 days of receiving your Wolf device, you can return or refund it. Now, to cancel it, all you have to do is to navigate through membership section on app and then just simply select on cancel. Now, confirm cancellation and you're good to go on the return process. Now, the other thing that you can do for non-activated membership is just to simply cancel the selected order that you have placed on your account. So that's basically it. That's how you cancel your Whoop membership and app.